How to schedule dark mode automatically on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule dark mode on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings, then tap on display and brightness. There you can see the automatic option, just toggle it on. So now what happens is your phone automatically turns into dark mode when the sun sets, and when it is morning you will have light mode. Or you can even change the options by tapping on options. So you can see the sunset to sunrise option. Now by tapping on custom schedule, you can choose the time when you want the light mode and when you want the dark mode. You can just tap on the time and then change it according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.